Here in the video, we are going to talk about Cyberpunk 2077 error code 0xC0000005. The error reads unhandled exception expression. Exception access violation. The thread attempted to read inaccessible data. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch the game or at a specific mission during gameplay. According to our research, the error is related to access violations which could be caused by mods, system configurations, overclocking, GPU settings, or corrupted files. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to stop using the 0xC0000005 gun. Some users reported that the game stopped crashing after they avoided this weapon. So try this and see if this helps. If the error still comes, then go to your BIOS and disable game boost or overclocking. Lowering the CPU clock from 4.2 GHz to 3.8 GHz helped some players. After doing this, check for the error again. If the error still persists, then increase your virtual memory in the Windows settings. If you have two drives, enable virtual memory on both. So, try this and see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then try turning off path tracing in the game settings. Players shared that disabling path tracing fixed the crash. So try this and check for the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try disabling analytics under the gameplay menu. Also, if you're using too many mods, consider removing some of them. Once done, check if this helps with the error. If you still get the error and you are using a high-end i9 CPU, then lower your P-core ratio to 55 or 50. After applying this, check if the error still comes. If you still have the error, then run both redprelauncher.x and Cyberpunk 2077.x as an administrator. Simply go to the Steam directory and manually run both files as admin. Then check for the error again. If the error still comes, then add an exception in your antivirus for the Cyberpunk folder. Also, turn off MSI Afterburner if it is running. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then try turning off the performance mode. After that, check if this resolves the error. If you still have the error, open command prompt as administrator and type sfc/scannow. This will check and fix any corrupted system files. After the scan completes, check for the error again. If you still get the error, then try deleting the file named inputloader.ini located under Cyberpunk 2077/engine/config/platform/PC. Once deleted, check for the error again. If the issue still continues, then try removing all mods and do a fresh install of the game. Then check if the error still comes. If nothing has worked so far, then update your GPU drivers to the latest version. After updating, check for the error again. If the error still comes, then revert to default control settings. Some users face this issue only with custom controls. After switching back to default, check if this helps with the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.